bear wants to play in the sun and not get gray. Drip, drop on the window pane. Leopard peeks and shakes his mane. Not today, the leopard says. I want to climb the tree and play. Rain, rain, tap the ground, splashing puddles all around. But little bird flaps her wing, singing, let the sun shine in. Rain, rain, we love you too. Watering flowers, trees so blue. Come at night while we all sleep, but daytime's for fun we want to keep. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Bear, bird, and leopard say, let's go out and laugh and play. Let's go out and laugh and play.